Hello, my name's Martin Fish and today we're going to look at the Cobra Fortis cylinder mower and also the lawn care system, of which there are 6 interchangeable cylinders which will help to keep your lawn in perfect condition. When you buy a Fortis mower, it comes complete with the 6-bladed cylinder, which makes a great job of cutting. But there are 6 cartridges that are interchangeable as part of the lawn care system to keep your lawn in tip-top condition. And this is one of them. This is the brush here, this soft-tined brush that spins around very quickly. And this can be used all through the year for a number of different jobs that you want to do. You can use it on the lawn before you mow, and it will just lift the turf a little bit so that you get a nice clean cut. You can do it if you don't need to mow but you want to enhance the stripes that are there, and it makes a really good job of that. We can use it in the autumn to collect leaves. We can use it any time of the year when any bits of trees fall off, seed heads, that type of thing. It just sweeps them off there. It's also great for clearing worm casts if they're a problem on your lawn. The secret is to let them dry and then go over with the brush and it will sweep them up. And you can use it to help incorporate top dressing in the spring and autumn. So it's really all year round, just to keep your grass in good condition. So what we'll do, we'll pop the box on and we'll go over this grass and I can show you the effect that it has. So here we can see, just by brushing over the lawn without mowing it, of course, we've got a lot of dead grass that's been taken out and just flicked up into the box here, and the leaves from the nearby trees that have fallen on. So it makes the lawn look so much better, and it's put a definite stripe on it. So if your grass isn't long enough to cut but you want that stripe, then this is ideal for it. And the other thing you can do with it, certain times of the year when the grass is quite dewy in the morning, it's always good to let it dry before you mow. So if you go over with the brush, it will dry the lawn, flick the dew off, and then you can put the cylinder back on and mow it. So all part of the lawn care system to keep your lawn in tip-top condition. For more information on the Cobra Fortis range and for details of lawn care and the lawn care calendar, go to cobragarden.co.uk.